Okay, with the floor mats clean, I'll quickly get the seats removed after disconnecting the battery so I don't have any issues with the vehicle throwing a code, and I'll also get the back seat removed as well, and then looking at what's underneath them all, and it's safe to say the extracting is going to be good later on. Working my way around with the vacuum, and you can probably already tell that there hasn't been much for debris in the vehicle, which is a really nice change of pace. Plus, with the vehicle being older, it's got better quality carpet, which also makes the vacuuming process much easier as well. Okay, well, starting on extracting now, and as usual, I'm starting with the seats since I know they'll need the most amount of time to dry out afterwards, and given how visually dirty they are, I'm opting for my medium green drill brush today, as I just have a feeling I'm going to need a bit more agitating ability around the entire vehicle to get these stains lifted.